Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Laravel project. So we need a composer to install it. So first you need to install the composer. Here is the composer website and you can download it directly by clicking on composer setup.exe. So once you got done, install it and then open your command prompt cmd and cd to your desktop. So here's the desktop. After cd in desktop, so just write composer, click composer, create project Laravel /Laravel and give a name to your project, new test project of Ulanish or Belgi Academy and click enter. So this will take some time. So based on your connection, it will take some time. So let's wait until the project got done, until the installation got done. Okay, so this is being installed. Let me pause the video until this installation finished. So here it's getting finished. So it's done. It's done. Project is installed. Let me close the CMD and see the new installed project. Here this is. So double click on it and open the folder. You can see all dependencies, files and folders here. The project is installed. So you can also go to the Laravel official website, write down the Laravel, and the first website you see is the laravel.com, and you can read the documentation of how to install the Laravel project. Here, get started, and there's the installation, and you can read the documentation to install the Laravel project. I will show how to open and start the first project to be run in local server. So we'll see in the next videos.